Hello, today we will guide you through how to uninstall GnuCash. We'll walk through removing GnuCash from a Windows computer using the built-in control panel. Before you start, make sure GnuCash is closed and consider backing up your accounting files. Uninstalling the program won't delete your personal data files, but it's always smart to keep a copy in a safe place. Begin on your Windows desktop so everything is easy to find. Press the Windows key on your keyboard to open the Start menu. If you prefer, you can also click the Start button on the taskbar. Either way, you'll get the search box we need. In the search bar, type Control Panel. You should see the Control Panel app appear in the results. Click it to open. If your view looks different, try setting View By to Category in the top right so the layout matches what we described next. Inside Control Panel, look for the Programs section and click Uninstall a Program. This opens the list of installed applications on your computer. It may take a moment to load if you have many programs. To make things easier to scan, you can click the name column to sort alphabetically, or use the search box in the top right of this window. Browse the list until you find GnuCash. Once you see it, right-click on GnuCash to reveal the context menu. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows may ask for confirmation or prompt you with a user account control message. Choose Yes to continue. The GnuCash uninstaller will then launch. Follow the on-screen prompts in the uninstaller. Typically, you'll just confirm that you want to remove the program. The process can take a minute or two. During removal, you might be asked whether to keep user settings or related components. If you're sure you won't need them, you can remove everything. If you plan to reinstall later, keeping settings can save time. Either choice is fine and won't affect your separate GnuCash data files stored elsewhere. When the uninstaller finishes, you should return to the Programs and Features list. GnuCash should no longer appear. If it still shows briefly, press F5 to refresh the list. You can also close Control Panel and, if you like, tap the Windows key and search for GnuCash to confirm it's gone from the Start menu. That's it. You started from the desktop, opened Control Panel, went to Uninstall a Program, located GnuCash, right-clicked it, and selected Uninstall. Thanks for following along, and great job completing the process cleanly and confidently.